I'm Jenna.
I'm Cali.
And this is
Pixie Dusted. So today we are going to be going all around EPCOT and trying all the food that we've never tried before.
And I'm a really, really picky eater, and I am very nervous.
I'm not! First up, Canada. Okay, well I got a dark chocolate honey almond candy bar thing.
And I got Canadian beer. I hate beer.
And I hate almonds. So let's do this.
Is it gross?
Yeah. That was the tiniest sip.
It's actually not that bad.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, it's not that bad.
I'm
gonna have another
sip.
I think I had a successful first try. I don't think I'll be able to drink all of it because I am not going to get drunk. Mom and Dad, don't worry.
Okay.
All right, see you in the next country. Now we're in England. Which of these would you say is more British?
More British?
Hello, now we are in England and I got a caramel thing and I hate caramel.
And I got fish and chips.
Okay. Wow. Is it good? It's fabulous. Here comes the choo-choo train.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
That's so good.
Like, it tastes like white chocolate. How are your fish and chips?
I don't know. Let's try. Well, here's just a fry. Excuse me. A chip.
I just said something to the camera, girl.
Oh, really good.
I won't be trying that because I don't eat fish. That's too much for me.
I like it.
She likes it.
Oh,
She really
hot.
likes it. Successful!
It's good! Alright, here we are in France!
Woo! So I got potato and leek soup. I hate vegetables. I hate leeks.
I think it smells good.
I don't think so. Leeks are gross. That was so gross. That was really gross.
Okay. I got a croissant Jouan fromage. Which I'm pretty sure just means with cheese and ham.
Okay. Don't get the potato leek soup either. Lucky you. Hopefully I'll have better luck in the next country.
12 seconds later.
Now we in Morocco. Oh my god, I hate parsley. I hate parsley. Oh my god. Oh, thank god they only gave me a sample.
And I hate olives.
Ew.
Oh my god.
You don't have to.
I want to
finish
throw
it.
up.
Oh my god.
Morocco is a no.
Oh my.
Now we're in Japan. So I got green tea ice cream.
And I got green tea cheesecake. And just to let you know, I hate green tea and I hate cheesecake.
That's interesting. It's like chalky. How's yours, Jenna?
Once again, Jenna strikes out.
McAllister strikes in. Hi, America. Bye, America.
See you at dinner. here we are in my motherland, Italy. And we really couldn't find anything disgusting, so we got chocolate.
What kind did you get?
I got chocolate crunch, and of course I had to get a soccer ball on it, or a football, because I love football. This one's for you, Dad.
And I got a panna cotta fruit twist.
Yours is more
fruity,
exotic.
rosy.
I'm gonna try to eat this in the least not
Messy way?
Yeah, the most girly way I can. Comment on this video and tell my dad to take me here to a real place. That was good chocolate. Really good. Love you.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen hier in Deutschland. Wir befinden uns im World Showcase, gerade in Deutschland mit den zwei netten Leuten hier. Genau.
Okay, wow. What'd you say?
So hello, welcome to Germany, the World Showcase here in the Norway Pavilion with the two beautiful girls.
Aww, thank you.
So I got apple strudel with vanilla sauce, which honestly I think I'm gonna like, but I liked everything on the menu, so I went with this.
I also liked everything on the menu, so I got a cold potato salad with egg. I really like this.
I really haven't tasted mine much yet.
Oh, that's a big piece.
Well, the apple's good. Look at that cute German boy to get me a knife. Success.
Welcome to China. I got a ginger mango chew, and I hate ginger, so this should be interesting. And then this that is covered in Chinese, and I have no idea what it is. So we're just gonna go for it.
I got a strawberry puff and this. I have no idea what it is. It has a pineapple on it.
No?
Put it all in your mouth.
Oh my god, spicy.
I'm still trying to like this. Not really, it's blinking. We must hurry.
I really like this. I'm gonna drink it.
I don't like this, so I'm not going to. What a waste of $3.
Hello, here we are in Norway. So I got a trollhorn, which has a cranberry sauce in the middle.
And I got a lefse, which is a potato, you said?
Sweet potato bread with cinnamon sugar
Sweet
inside.
potato bread with cinnamon sugar inside. That's good.
I really like this.
Well, love you, Norway.
Viva Mexico!
Free Lazo. It's hot and salted fruit bar. Sounds disgusting.
And I got a Rolo de Coco. Coconut roll up.
Do it, do it.
It feels disgusting in my mouth.
I'm so nervous to try this. Ew. Oh, yo, they have it here. Just let you know, I asked the lady inside. It was hot, and she said it wasn't, but it was. In Mexico part 2, ending on a good part. Good note, I should say. What did you get, Cali?
I got the pork belly taco.
Which sounds gross to me.
It looks delicious.
I don't eat pigs. I got
Chilaquiles, I think.
chilaquiles.
De pollo.
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 Something with chicken. To us eating around the world today. Wow. Oh my god. You're lovely. Thank you, Mexico. I never disappoint except for your candy.
Muchas gracias.
Hey guys! Thanks for traveling around the world today with us and eating all of that delicious and weird food.
It was so much fun. Remember, we post videos every Wednesday, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
And also don't forget to check out our Instagram, PixieDusted1156.
You just got pixie dusted.